going in quite fast now. There's only 3 left to go in. Number 5 still favourite, Leopold, riding at €2.20. With more money coming for Mejhar and Hatal, and they're now at €3.20 on the tote. Arbonne de Cochet, number 11, €3.50. Glory Seeker, €3.70. Number 9, Sagana, still giving it a bit of trouble at the stalls. There's only 2 left to go in now.
I'll come back.
Number 2, Sir Jasper, just going forward, and Sagana looks as if he's been withdrawn from this race, giving trouble in the stalls. They're just about, and they're off. And Leopold gets away to a fast start. Arbonne de Cochet a bit slow. Straight away, number 2, Sir Jasper, goes up into the front alongside Hatal. The Speedy boat is there in the blue and white, with Leopold on the rail. A few lengths back to Mejhar, then Glory Seeker, Arbonne de Cochet, Silver Sword and Cachets. And as they come around the bend now, it's Hatal setting a pace here. And on the outside, Sir Jasper, 2 or 3 lengths break back to Leopold, Speedy boat on the outside. And these 2 just being followed by Mejhar in the noseband. And then a good break back to Arbonne de Cochet, along with Glory Seeker up there too with him. Silver Sword is there and Cachets, the back marker. As they come around the bend now, it's Sir Jasper in front still from Hatal on the inside. Leopold moving up nicely on the outside. Mejhar on the rail with Speedy boat, starting to struggle a bit there, and 3 lengths back to Silver Sword, Glory Seeker, Arbonne de Cochet and Cachets. And as they swing around the bend now towards the straight, it's Leopold and Mejhar coming up nicely on the outside in the noseband. Alan Creighton now starting to get to work. 2 lengths back to Speedy boat staying on, along with Hatal dying back there. But as they come now inside the final furlong, it's Mejhar going on by 2 or 3 lengths from Leopold. And it's Mejhar who's going to go up and take this one by 2 or 3 lengths from Leopold. Speedy boat staying on down the outside for 3rd. Number 7, Bought Direct, taking 4th. Here we go. Mejhar there takes the first race. There's the replay on screen now. And Mejhar taking this race quite easily. From Leopold staying on in 2nd. Speedy boat ran a good race in 3rd with 61.5 kilos. Along with Bought Direct staying on for 4th. But Mejhar, a different class here for these. Goes on by 2 kilos there, Alan Creighton. Winning quite easily from Leopold. And there's the winner, number 6 Mejhar, owned by the Vixens, trained by Eddie Creighton. The favourite there, second, number 5 Leopold. Third place going to Speedy Boat. And fourth, number 7 Boat Direct. There's the front view there. Good ride there from Alan Creighton. Along with another strong rider there, Borka Fayas on the rail and Leopold. And Speedy Boat also running very well with 61.5 kilos. Provisional result for the first race, the Premio La Cala de Mijas. First, number 6 Mejhar. Second, number 5 Leopold. And third, number 3 Speedy Boat. Mejhar now coming in after winning that race. No stewards' inquiries. And here he coming down the road now. It's the second runner for the